The Royal Atlantis Residences and Lana by Dorchester are two most addresses that are talked about, especially when it comes to luxury properties. And here today, I'm going to tell you what are the differences and what features each of these two apartments have. Picture this, 650 meters of pristine beachfront, that too with an infinity pool giving you the beautiful skyline view. Now this is Royal Atlantis for you. Well, it's not only about luxury, but it is all about the different service that it has to offer. Spanning over 406,000 square meters spread across 43 floors. You have hotel apartments on one side and then you have the residential apartments on the other. Whereas you have 795 hotel apartments and 231 residential apartments. And the key to this is each floor plan is different because of the architectural design. As you can see, the building has a very curved form of architectural design. The size of each apartment is about 2,000 square feet. That means you have plenty of space there. 5 years ago, this property costed about 7.2 million dirhams when it was an off plan. And if I take buyers, they paid off about 40% and then they sold it for 13-14 million. That is so much appreciation that this building got. As a resident, you will enjoy top tier amenities. You have 2 outdoor pools, an indoor lap pool, you have a spa, you have a business lounge, a private library. You will have a choice of stunning views. You have the ocean view and you have the Palm Jumeirah view, or maybe both. Now these amenities are separate for the hotel apartments and for the residential apartments. Now let's shift gears and talk about Lana by Dorchester collection in Business Bay. Now the Royal Atlantis, which is on a larger scale, Lana by Dorchester talks about more exclusivity and elegance. With just 39 residents spread across 30 floors, this is a boutique experience that is hard to beat. The interiors are designed by Gills and Boycer, and each apartment features floor-to-ceiling windows, which gives you tons of natural light. Now this is located by the canal. It is just 15-20 minutes walk from the Dubai Mall. If you're a foodie, you'll love the 8 restaurant and the mixology concept by Lana, including 4 by Michelin star chefs. Not only that, you have the first ever Dior spa on the 29th floor. It also has around 225 hotels and suites, which complements your private residences. Not only that, you have the views of the canal and the marina, which makes the waterfront a heaven. What sets Lana apart is its focus on services. Now residences can enjoy n number of activities, such as you have the rooftop pool, exclusive spa services, and 24-hour concierge. Everything is tailored to perfection. Valet services, private chefs, and even shoppers on demand. If you're looking for something more quieter, something more private lifestyle, and want to live in closest scene of downtown, this is a perfect apartment for you. The starting price when this was an off plan was about 21 million dirhams, and currently they're selling it off for more than 35 million dirhams. And reaching up to 93 million depending on what apartment you have. You can clearly see they have not only gotten the 100% return on their investment, they have also gotten much more appreciation. So which one is for you? If you're looking for something grand scale luxury and with a beautiful sea view, then it has to be the Royal Atlantis. But if you're looking for something in the center of the city with the waterfront view, then Lana by Dorchester is your choice. Now, if you want to know more about these two apartments or are looking for something in these two apartments, then contact me on the details given below and I will catch you back in the next video.